Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching. Um, it's been a while I posted a video on this channel. I've been busy and I've been very ill for the past couple of months. So it's the first week of term 5 and I hope you guys are doing great. Forgive my absence. I hope you're submitting your assignments and everything is going on well. As I was ill, I was not able to take courses, so I kind of took a leave of absence. But I am back and I am steady now. Today I wanted to share with you because for the past couple of weeks I've been reading Facebook information and a lot of people are complaining about plagiarism and how they can avoid plagiarism. First of all, plagiarism is a very tricky situation and some instructors kind of deduct points for plagiarism. However, some instructors do not mind. They just look at it as a tricky situation and they try to correct students one way or the other. But yeah, it is our job. It is the job of the students to know how to detect plagiarism and to be able to, delete it away from their papers. Today I will be showing you a very simple tip. I did a video last time about how to avoid plagiarism. Today it's the part 2. So I'll be showing you a very simple tip on how you can do away with your with plagiarism in your paper. So now I am going to be sharing my screen with you, and as you can see, let's go to my Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome. So first I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Okay, now there we go. So make it large, and here we have my information. I have this is my plagiarism checker, which I already installed, and I can check my paper anytime. And here let's say go to my documents, and today I am going to be using this document. This is business policy and strategy. I am taking it this term, so I wrote this paper and I have to check if it has any iota of plagiarism. Now bear with me, you're gonna be with me. We're gonna copy this and go to, this is your paper, you've already written your paper. Okay, so here you just copy this, okay, and copy. So when you copy, you just need to go to your Google. Okay, here I have my plagiarism checker. So here I'm just gonna open my plagiarism checker and paste the document here. Paste. So I have pasted the document here, and when I scroll down, you see here you can check grammar, you can check plagiarism. So here, check plagiarism or check grammar. Today we are checking plagiarism, all right? So I'm just gonna click on check plagiarism. There it goes. Now it's detecting if there is any iota of plagiarism. For those of you who are wondering what kind of plagiarism to use, you can use plagiarism detector. If you look up here, you see plagiarismdetector.net. You can just save it on your computer, and anytime you want to check, you can check. All right, the document is ready. Plagiarism scan report. The document is ready. So if you look on the right side of the computer, you see 6% plagiarism and 94% unit. It's okay. 6% plagiarism can be overlooked, but now you want to make this 100% unique, right? So what you do is you scroll down and you see here over here you see view plagiarized sources, and when you come to view plagiarized sources, it's just one source, right? So click on this arrow, it opens down, and this is where the plagiarism is coming from. All right, make a positive impact on the lives of its members by producing enjoyable music. Students who are very serious about studying music at Cowley College will continues. All right, so now this is the source, this is the link to the plagiarized paper. Now I did this, I didn't know anything about Cowley College. So now I am going to copy this link. This is the link, copy the link, copy. And I am gonna open a new window and Google it. Google and enter. So now I have, this is where my plagiarism is coming from, and it looks like, all right, here we go. Make a positive impact on the lives of its members by producing enjoyable music. Remember that plagiarism, it's something you use without citing or using quotations. Now here I have Cowley College, and the only thing I have to do is to take this name, Cowley College, go back to my document, and okay, wait, we go back to the plagiarized document, mark where the plagiarism is coming from. Look at the document here. So the plagiarism is coming from here. All right. All right, so here we check where the plagiarism is coming from, and when we scroll the document, it is being marked with a red color. You see that make a positive impact on the lives of its members. I use just a short phrase, but it is being checked as plagiarized. Now it's easy. I can delete it and replace it with another word, or I can just cite the information. So what I have to do is, it's at the end of the paper, so I will go back and open my paper. Now I realize that this is where the plagiarism is coming from, right? So now all I have to do is to go back to Google, where I had Cowley College, and copy this Cowley College. Now the good thing is, another thing is, there is no year that this information was written. So when there is no year, you use n.d. all right? So all I have to do is to come here and put in bracket Cowley College. Okay, that needs a correction. College, comma, n.d. bracket close, full stop. All right, so there it is. Now I have cited the information. Okay, now let's copy the information again and go back to Plagiarism Checker and check to see if it works. All right, so right, copy, and let's go back to our Plagiarism Checker. Now we're gonna keep this one here, and we are just gonna open a new one, new window, and we open to Plagiarism Checker. All right, scroll down, and we're gonna place the information here and check plagiarism. So as I was saying, for those of you who are looking for a good plagiarism checker, all you need to do is to go to plagiarismdetector.net, and you can save it on your browser. If you're using Firefox or Chrome, or you can save it just as I've done, and it will be easy for you to check your information. There it goes, it's done. And you look here, plagiarized 0% and unique 100%. Now trust me, it's not done yet. You have solved the problem by citing the information of this document. Now another thing you need to do is to come again here, or go back to the paper. Now you cited the information, you need to include the reference list, right? come here and include the reference list. So here you're gonna copy Cowley College, copy, place it here under the reference list. Okay, so here you're gonna delete this one, the bracket. You don't need the bracket, so you need the bracket here, and you need a full stop. And you're gonna come again, go back to Cowley College, and you copy music transfer. This is the main source, music transfer. When you write music transfer here, so we have music transfer. I don't know why it's coming with the color, but you're gonna change it, don't worry. Music transfer, full stop. Then you go back, and now we're using the 7th edition, so you don't need to put retrieved from. You just need to go back and you copy this link. This link, oh no, all right, this link. Go back to the paper and place it there. Paste. And there you have your need to change the color. All right, so okay, you can just leave it there, and there you have your information. That's what you have, and it's done. You solved your problem. Everything is finished. So let's say copy it again, copy and delete. And we come down here, let's paste. Okay, so you have your information there and everything is done. You can post this paper wherever they try to check it, they will never found a plagiarism. But this is not what I want to do, so I'm gonna just delete it again. So, and delete this one again. So that's all for how to make your document plagiarism free. First, you need to have the plagiarism detector website on your computer or on your browser, and just go to the link, the plagiarism source link, and Google it. You'll find all the information you need and place it there. So thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be the end of our video, and I hope this really helped, because there have been a lot of students losing marks because of plagiarism. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. My name is Joel Ara. I'm your student ambassador, and I'm a student at the University of the People. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.